this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your scanner and printer from your iMac. Could be iMac, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or any version of Apple computer. In this case you have many devices connected, you want to release some of the device or you don't have any more. How you can delete those scanner or printer? For this you have to go to this Apple logo, hit this one, go to system preference. In system preference you see printer and scanner, hit this one. You see I have here this printer from brother, I don't want anymore. Here you have minus button, you have to click that one and hit minus. Delete printer, this is the printer and scanner same way, delete that one. I want more fax, for example, think as this, hit minus this one and delete fax as well. So this is the way you can delete any printer or scanner from your MacBook. Very simple and easy tutorial, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.